In the age of AI, I just thought it would be good to get real for a second. My name's Sean Faber. I am the founder and creator of the Snapshot Marketplace, as well as the Lifetime All Access Pass, which is why you're here with me right now. Again, like I mentioned, getting real with you for a second, I'm renovating the office, and so you can see we're patching some holes in the walls. My lighting isn't fantastic, as you can tell over here with my Super Mario. It's pretty sweet, nice little Christmas present I just got. Anyways, what I wanted to do is tell you about this next evolution of the All Access Pass, but also show you exactly how it is today, so you'll see what you're getting. Okay, so you can see with the All Access Pass right here, this is all about helping you launch your agency without all of the dirty work that you typically have to do. One of the biggest, biggest hurdles that people have to jump over with their agency is figuring out how to serve their clients without having to rebuild the same thing every single time. You start off, if you're in a digital marketing agency, you're about results. Web design, yes, having bespoke designs, that's one thing. But if you're all about lead generation, qualified leads, conversions, sales, and at the end of the day, getting your clients more money in the bank, you don't necessarily need to reinvent the wheel every single time. Take some proven funnels, proven automations and follow ups, as well as a good system for organizing everything and making it easy to see the results with one click with our snapshots. So you can see here, you can stop building everything from scratch, launch and deploy proven snapshots, get the unfair advantage, launch client-ready, conversion-tested marketing systems for 100 or more niches in minutes, not months, in minutes. Stop tinkering and start launching. I've eliminated your necessity to have to think of something new. You can escape the builder's trap. The coolest part, you get 120 or more snapshots. There's 120 done right now, more on the way. You save about an average of 30 hours per client, and you get all of that for just $497. Not only do you get all of the current snapshots, you get all the future snapshots, updates, upgrades. I'm going to just show you here. You also get added to, let me make my face a little smaller, this Snapshot All Access Pass Snapshot portal. You can see portal.thesnapshotmarketplace.com. This is a membership area where we have all the members. You see about 452 people in here right now, 150 different posts. This also gives you access to all of your snapshots, as well as anything else that gets added. We have different courses like the Online Business Blueprint, 2025 Social Media Content Toolkit. That's getting updated to the 2026 toolkit here. That will be added soon. The Agency Snapshot, window cleaning, window tinting. There's a complete marketing course in here as well. You can see it in the learning area, or you can come up here to the courses area. And you can see everything in here in the courses area as well. If you got the upgrade to the master resell rights, which allows you to resell these to other high-level users and keep 100% of the income, we can talk more about that. But right now you have full unlimited use inside your own account. And we also have an affiliate dashboard where as you become a Lifetime All Access Pass member, then you can go ahead and become an affiliate as well. And you can earn a 40% commission on every single snapshot sale that you get. And so, yeah, I mean, it's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let me just jump down here. These snapshots, they all have funnels. Let me just go ahead and jump into a snapshot for you right now. Okay, cool. So I just finished up this backup generator installation snapshot. It's a very specific niche, but that's what's cool about this. If you are a member in the Lifetime All Access Pass, you get direct access to me. You get priority requests, priority support. So if you need something very specific like a backup generator snapshot, just let us know. You can see it comes with the funnels here. I'm just going to open up one of the funnel pages. This is custom made for the backup generator industry. It would usually have a logo up here. You can see it's got these stock images. These are actually AI generated images. What you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead, go in the editor, swap out some images, and it's done. 100 plus star reviews, number one rated backup generator installation service. Never lose power again. We got the pop up with a form. You can see everything looks fantastic. It has testimonials, has a call to action right here. Every single snapshot comes with not just one, but at least 2 different funnels to help you increase conversions. Let me go ahead and just pop this one open also. This is an incredible direct marketing landing page. This is offer specific, so people, it's like a local crazy local discount funnel. Save $2,000 on our turnkey whole home backup generator installation service. Hey Charleston, you're calling out the area. This is all grade A, maybe even S tier marketing, pre-built for you for every single niche imaginable. If it's not in there, if I haven't imagined it yet, you have. All you got to do is let me know. We'll go ahead, we'll get the funnels designed, customized, set up for you. We'll get all the different necessary automations launched and out there. Organize the new leads as they come in. You can tag them based on where they came from. Have a new lead intro sequence. Reach out to them. Notify the business owner, hey, you got a new lead. If anyone responds to the new lead workflow or responds to the nurture workflow, if people book an appointment, if they are no-shows to the appointments, we have automations set up for those, as well as a nice handy-dandy form for scoring the leads at the appointment as well. This nurture sequence is for people that are leads, haven't become customers yet. It just keeps them warm, keeps them engaged, and keeps your business top of mind. If they purchase the service, once they unsubscribe, we don't want to just remove them, but we want to filter them and keep people on here so maybe they don't like keep jumping on and off and hurting your scores with like the inboxes like Gmail and Yahoo and Outlook, things like that. Custom value updaters. Oh, that brings me to the next thing. All these snapshots come with custom values. Some have more than the others, but at the very least, they have the agency name and email. So that way, as you're generating leads for other businesses, plug your name and email in here, and then the leads get sent to them on your behalf automatically. So it won't get sent from whatever your CRM's name, like just the default whatever for high level, but you can actually designate that it came from you, from your email address. It's pretty cool stuff. Appointment confirmation forms, booking calendar links, business logo, city area market name, crew picture, discount amount, discount offer name, funnel background image. This is just the basics. Some of the snapshots, like the mortgage one, the life insurance, they have a little bit more in there. And so with this lifetime all access pass, you get over 120 snapshots done right now. Let me keep going. You can see this is a list of all the ones that are done right now. These are lists of ones that are coming soon. People that are in the All Access Pass have already requested these. I already have them in the queue with my team. They are getting built. You will get access to these. You will not have to pay for another snapshot the rest of your life. How simple are they to use? They're simple. Land the client, deploy the snapshot in minutes, launch and scale. Like really, they come with the funnels. They come with the automations, they come with the pipelines and the opportunities and the calendars and the forms and the surveys and the custom values. It is awesome. You can save yourself time. It's real easy. It's just a one-time $497 or 3 payments of $177. Go ahead, join the All Access Pass today. I can't wait to see you on the inside.